Hi everyone, here's another quick demo of the progress I've made so far on Portal. Um, as you can see, I've tweaked the graphics a little bit. The most important change I've made now is that I'm able to fire a portal in all directions. It uses a full 360-degree aim, so I can shoot absolutely anywhere, but it'll turn the portal into a horizontal or a vertical portal depending on which type of wall it hits. If it hits a black wall, as you just saw there, it won't allow you to generate a portal on there, and so therefore the portal breaks, so the orange one stops flashing. I have a question for everybody, if I could. Which method of walking do players prefer? Currently, the player will always face wherever the mouse cursor is. So if my mouse cursor is to the left of my player, even if I'm walking to the right, he will still face left, which results in him doing a bit of a moonwalk. Looks quite good, but would people prefer it that instead of always looking at the cursor, if I press left, he faces left to move left? His gun will still point at the cursor, but he'll move around. Hope that makes sense.